Hello everyone, it's Yamanu here from Tech Tasty channel and welcome to my channel to new video. And today we are exploring or checking this the get a Yapper for creating viral content and already viral content you can create here and create a viral video, and just a few click you can create your image and audio and everything you can viral are creating from in this Yapper software. You can create here is the dashboard. Yapper now supports Sora 2 video generation, make a video also you can create here. Here is the dashboard Yapper creation. Yapper solution, here is the create, you can create here the pro video generation. Here is the look like a video generation how to look like is, and here is the pro ad generation. There's a sample, and this is all our sample here and how it look like this, and you check it here, check it, use it and look like this your product. Just here in some example, here is the enhance mode in pro image editing, and you can image your image or editing here, look this after and before edit your image background, remember perfect for also timeline editor, you can edit your timeline. UGC add, you can add monologue UGC, create authentic monologue style UGC content, emotional hook and catalog UGC, and look like this is a car conversation, get ready with me, you can edit a AI video, just create your for own avatar. Example video, here's the recreate the virals videos. No, does the recreate like this and like this is are all viral here already. You can just select here into the recreate and create your own language and data here. This is the viral video and now in the TikTok and reels for the Instagram, and you can recreate here for own language and recreate your own ideas. Must be a logic, and this was viral option for you. This look like this, there is a lot of viral videos here. You can create your own with your own. Check this out, and after that you can create here, either you can create your image here, also generate with image with the upper view example. You can example with the aspect ratio model, a model image 4 flux max nano banana per model. Here is the credit. Here's the option here, you can pro images with just a prompt like a business photo, a stock photo, Van Gogh style cartoon character, look like this, a cartoon enemy, cartoon scene. Whereas the epic background you can edit here to your faceless YouTube channel, also use this for. And when you get this image and image to video also option here, you can edit this here from. Head over to our image generator, write your prompt to edit the image, option upload the choose reference image, click generation, wait for generation, download your favorite images. Thumbnail generator, you can create your YouTube thumbnail here, look like exploring, look like this is crazy, and rumor take banner, this is video game style. And logo generator, I think this is specific sci-fi cover, album cover. I think all are generating image, just go to the prompt and then generate your image as per your aspect ratio. Also edit reference images, that's very crazy, and generate audio. You can also create your audio, AI script resistant birthday message, friendly roasted, and select your voice. You can select your voice here, look like this. Also custom celebrity and media, male or female, and check here and include your biases for or instantly your faceless video or your TikTok virals and reels. For reels timeline editor, you can here the your project and edit your timeline. Image editor, you can image here to source image edit, asset here upload and source edited image, product and context images, and upload or asset own asset. Prompt extractor, here is the copy viral prompt, paste an Instagram, TikTok or viral link you want to extract a prompt here, and just the Instagram and reel or TikTok reels here, extract the prompt. Here is the example videos to show you can do here already. We are we are shown here in the lip sync, deeper lip sync, deep fake. Here is the deep fake. You can clone your voice from the Mark Zuckerberg or Donald Trump deep fake videos for your own languages. And the UGC also we are show here in a few time. And create your videos, your viral videos, all are here into the Yapper. That's very useful for us in Newton for your video scripted for video YouTube channel or your social media profile. Here is the Yapper license tier 1 to tier 4, and I guess this the tier 4 is already for you, not tier 1. There's a lot of tier 1 limitation here. Just text video 8 second text to video duration. Upload lip sync already fit to tier 1 not delivered here. Tier 2 is 50. You can check here soda to not into the bo3 text to video or not into tier 1. And also here the commercial use license, this is the very much useful for you, I think, is tier 3. You can go through the tier 3 or tier 4. That's the perfect for you can creation your video and upload it into your account. And here is the credit option. You can check here bo3 fast 8 seconds 72 credit must you can credit. So you can check here into my description link for your credit. I think this is the credit is 15,000 is for tier 4. You can check your the monthly credit for and you use video. You can check here for the credit for bo 3.1 8 seconds 72 credit, and you check it out. All are the flux and nano bananas, one image 10 credits. You can go here. And main feature, your personal AI avatar using Yapper deepfake. Bo3 video has no sound. There is a problem solving here. It's legal to create deepfake video with Yapper. Creating illegal to use steer entertainment and educational purpose. You must be cautious there. Be cautious here to provide you can consent to the individual involved, include clear disclosure. And how can monetize your content? Yes, to monetize your content create therefore you must upgrade to creator plan. Who must upgrade to creator plan, which provides a commercial license, ensure you comply with local AI laws and platform guidelines. When monetize your content, can I generate videos in language other English using Yapper? Yes, there are including German, Spanish, French, Japanese, Portuguese, Chinese, Hindi, Italian, Korean, Dutch, Polish, Russian, Swedish, and Turkish, all of which generate in this language. You can create your video. How long does it generate video with Yapper? It 1 to 10 minutes to generate. Most videos take between. Go through there into the description now. AppSumo link here for lifetime deals. Also 60-day money back guarantee. If you buy from this link, I get an affiliate commission. Please share with me for your commission result and get your viral content